Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.9% during the session. The Ultimate Oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose on expectations of potential economic stimulus by China, healthy demand in the rest of Asia, and a drop in US crude stockpiles. The US dollar paused for breath following its best rally this month against major peers as a resilient US labor market bolstered the case for a Federal Reserve rate hike next month. Ethereum's highly anticipated Shanghai upgrade, also called the Shanghai Capella hard fork, is set to occur today, after which users will have access to the $31 billion worth of Ether staked in the blockchain since December 2020.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. Finland's current account at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's 30Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index Core at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.